Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Let's look into some interesting facts.
Shirley Bassey wearing a 13 kg dress made of 1,56,000 diamante stones, 1960. In Sweden, parents are entitled to 480 days of paid parental leave once a child is born or adopted. There is a website called howgoodismypassword.com where you can input a password and it will show how much time it would take to crack the password. Texan Longhorn cow holds the world record for longest horn span. They measure 10 feet 7 inches. Hole in your skin after a needle punctures it, as seen from a scanning electron microscope. Pepsi got its name from the ingredient pepsine, which is said to aid in digestion. Meet Jeff Dave, the real-life Popeye. He has the biggest hands ever recorded, 19 inches in circumference. This island in Alaska looks like it's just floating in air. The biggest cinema house is Roxy, located in New York, USA. 1,212 pillars meet in one dot, built by legendary engineers 1740 years ago at Rameshwaram Temple. There are tea bags that make it look like a goldfish is swimming in your mug. Krishna's Butterball is a granite rock in Mahabalipuram, a coastal town in southern India, which has never rolled down the slope it lies on. World's first realistic face cake. This artist makes incredible realistic face cakes and cuts them open. In Dubai, if you lose 1 kg of weight, the government gives 3 grams of gold. In ancient Greece, throwing an apple at someone was considered a marriage proposal. Paint used to be stored in pig bladders. Horripilation is another word for getting goosebumps. This artist makes stone sculptures that look like wrinkled fabrics. Karan King, a Delhi man, is the first to get eyeballs tattooed. These are rejected designs of Eiffel Tower. This is the X-ray of a 700-pound man. Bill Gates has periodic table mounted in his office with little sample of each chemical. There are approximately 350 shapes of pasta around the world. There is a Rubik cube for blind people called as Braille cube. Jennifer Aniston is the highest paid actress in the world. She gets $1 million for an episode. Strawberry is the only fruit whose seeds grow outside the skin. The silver foil on Kaju Katli is called as Varak. It's the most famous dessert in India. Kathy Jung, woman with smallest waist in the world, measures only 15 inches. Gmail was previously called as Garfield Mail. Popcorn Beach in Fuerteventura, where stones look like popcorn. Vegetables in Alaska grow gigantic because they receive 20 hours of sunlight a day. Indian government spends 1.11 rupee to make 1 rupee coin. The very first sunglasses were invented in 12th century AD. Water, gas and electricity have been free of charge in Turkmenistan since 1991. Chicken tikka masala is Britain's national dish. In Eureka, it is illegal for men with mustache to kiss women. The world's deadliest spinner ever, Simo Häyhä, had 505 confirmed kills in less than 100 days during the Winter War.
We will be back with more interesting facts. Please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Also do not forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.